Yo, check out my man here at Subway, man. He is getting down with these moves. And he knows I'm watching, right? So he is showing out tonight, y'all. Check him out. He said, you ain't got nothing on me. You can't touch this. Look at this pop and lock and move. Look at this. He said, what you got for me? Right, showing off some wrist action, some elbow wrist snapping action here. I love it. Y'all gonna learn from the real master right here. So he's just showing you the basics, right? Making sure you got it down. Elbow, wrist, snap. Elbow, wrist, snap. Now he got that Michael Jackson lean going on. He knows he's a smooth criminal. Oh, there you go. Oh, what, to the other side. Let's go. I love it. He's like street side entertainment, right? It's like, hey, you're at the light. You're chilling for a minute. You might as well get entertained. Too bad he don't have a tip hat, right? And then, I don't know if you can see his eyes. He's got his eyes looking to the side, right? So it's like everybody who's stopping to check him out, he's checking them out too. And he's got this little smile, this little smirk. All right. Master Pop and Lock says goodnight.